code. Okay, in that we will use color. Okay, background color. The color means the text color we need to change. Okay, background color means the entire web page, the color will be changed. Okay, and after that we will change the font size as well. Font size means what you're writing in the text sizes and all the font sizes will be changed. It specifies the size of the text and font family also. Here the font family means it sets the font style for the text. Okay, so it will be in text align and letter spacing, border, margins, padding. In this all are comes under the CSS styling. So we need not to do in depth now. So it will comes to the CSS, that will be the cascading style sheets. So now I'm showing the some basic thing now. So open your Visual Studio Code. Open your Visual Studio Code. Here use styles dot h, sorry, not this, my project actually. Already you have created one folder, right, on a desktop. That will be the code. That will be the code here. Open this code and next select this path. Here type cmd and code space dot enter. So the particular folder, this command will be the particular folder, it will be open in your Visual Studio. Okay, some row is there. It is open here. So already in last class we have completed the attributes and all the things. So here click on new file and please name it as, that will be the style .html. You need, we have the two types of extensions, that will be the .html and .html or .html. Okay, so already you know how the bytecode has to be presented here. So that will be the control exclamatory, so not control, that will be the shift exclamatory enter. So the bytecode will be presented here, and after that you can name it as here the in external HTML I am giving the name it as here, that will be the styles. Okay, so it will be present in outside of the body. So already we have downloaded that extension using extensions, so that will be open in browser. So that will be open in browser. So see here what I have given in the title section, that will call it as the page title. So here it will be presented the styles here. Okay, so here I'm going to give the some p tag. Okay, so p tag, so here this is a paragraph. So paragraph, so I need to give the styling for this. In that I am using the style tag here outside of the session, outside of the tag here, that will be the style. Inside of the style tag I am using this p tag here, so this will be call it as the element. So directly I am calling here the p here, so that will be, I'm not applying any class css and selectors and all the things, I'm not applying any here. So directly I'm using the p tag directly here, so it will be the syntax, will be the syntax like this. So open flower braces as well, open flower braces, that will be the page, that will be the element css. So I already told you. So color I'm giving here, the color will be the red I'm taking. So this will be the named color, so directly you are assigning the name, so that will be call it as the named color here. So just we will go to your browser and refresh this. Go to browser and refresh this one. So here see, So it is present. So here we need the some size bigger. So for that we need to use the font size. That will be the 16 pixels I'm taking here. We need to assigning here the pixels, percentage, the units and all the things you need to use as well. So enter. Oh, just a second. I'm going to refreshing this. It will tap it. Okay. So like this, it will be presented. So this is call it as the HTML styles. Okay. Are you getting this, guys? Is it clear, right, everyone? How the apply the just a basic thing I have shown you now. So further we need to use the CSS in clear cut. I'll explain you how to apply the coloring of the already existing HTML. Okay, is it clear, Parisha and Alisha, Madhuri?
Yeah, Jayashree, clear.
Yeah. The next concept will be text formatting tags. So already we have seen the some tags. So here the text formatting tags, how it will be used and all the things I'll show you. Next to the text formatting tags, I am taking another file uh, in another file. So here that will be the text formatting dot html. Here the name it as the dot html. So here, so the bytecode will be shift exclamatory enter the structure of HTML like this. So here I am taking the external name. So that will be the formatting, text formatting tags. Okay. So here after that I'm going to taking already you know B tag. B tag means what? That will be the bold tag. So the some text will be highlighted, right? So here I'm applying this is a this is a wait a second, I'll take like this inside outside of here. This is a bold tag. Okay. So bold tag means the thickness of the text will be presented here. So bold text I'm taking. Okay. We will refresh. Okay. I need to execute this one, right? So here I'm going to execute it. So here what happened? So these all are normal text in the paragraph session. So here in the B tag it will be the some bold. So the some thickness of the text it will apply, right? So after that um, italic tag. Okay. So what is italic tag means? The italic tag finally the cursive like that it will be presented. So we will see it will be represented in I tag. Okay. Italic here text. Okay. So it will be highlighted. See here. It will be what? It will be so slightly binded like a cursive handwriting type. It will present it. So it will call it as italic tag. It will be presented in I tag. Okay. So here I am taking another one. So that will be the this is a I'm representing U tag here. That will be the underline tag. Okay. Underline text. So this will be the underline text. See here. This is the underline text. What I have used there, I have used that underline there. Okay, so that will be the underline tag. And after that, E. So this is A, this is A. EM means that will be the emphasized. Okay, emphasized means this is also nothing but italic tag. So what is the alternate tag for italic means you can tell that that will be the emphasized tag. And for bold tag also we have alternate tag, that will be the strong tag. Okay, are you getting, guys, what I'm saying it is? Okay, so we will see. So I think we don't have any differences. See here, the italic and emphasized tag will be the same. So what is alternate tag for means? So alternate tag means emphasized tag for italic. Okay, this is here. Here, this is here. I will use the mark. Okay, so middle of the text will be the highlighted. This is here highlighted means we will use that mark tag. Highlighted text. So see here. So see here, some highlighted the mark. Some text will be highlighted here. So using mark tag. Okay. Next. Here. This is here. Small tag I will use here. Okay. And text will be small. So see here, compared to normal text, and after adding the small tag, so the text will be very small, right? So after that, I'm going to use p tag. It is here. Wait a second. We will use the chemical formulas and mathematical formulas. Using that tags will be the superscript and subscript. Okay, instead of e tag, I'm using here the subscript. That will be, I'm using the chemical formula here. That will be H2O. I'm using. Okay, subscript 2 here. Okay, so we will see how it will be presented. So like this H2O, it will be represent the chemical formula, and mathematical formula also we have, that will be using the superscript. Okay, so see here, this will be the subscript, sorry, this is the superscript, so it will be presented like a mathematical formula. After that, we will use the delete tag. So we have the alternate tag for delete also, that will be the strike. Here we will see, wait a second, I will do that. This is here, delete for delete, you can use del. Okay, so here delete text I'm using here. Okay, so we will see. So see here, the text will be strike. For this alternate tag also there, that will be the strike tag. I'm not using in text formatting tags actually. Okay, so after that you can use p tag here. So that will be the inserted tag. uh, so we will see what happens here. This is the inserted tag for you can use, that will be the insert. So insert text. Inserted I will use, your text I will use. Okay, so here we will see. So for this also we have here, see, so alternate tag for underline, right? So both are same. So alternate tag for underline, inserted tag, text. Okay, so after that we will use that is a pre-formatted text. It will be present like address. This text is text is pre-formatted. Like it will be present like pre-formatted. So it will present like address type. Okay, we will see like this. Okay, after abbreviation tag, we will left over with last tag and text formatting tag. That will be the APER. We will indicate it that. That will be, we can use attribute here. That will be the title, HTML, hyper text markup language. Text markup language. So this will be the abbreviation tag. Okay.